Watch. We watch cartoons after lunch. She looked her watch again. Trip. She tripped on the pappy. We love a trip to the beach. Sharp. Use the sharp knife to slice the vegetables evenly. He is known for his sharp wit. Jam. I need some jam on my bread. I may stick in a traffic jam in this road. Date. We went on a date in the evening. My father is going to buy some fresh dates. Saw. I need a saw to cut the trunk of tree. I saw a beautiful butterfly a few minutes ago. Bank. I will go to the bank tomorrow. I go to bank of the river every afternoon. Match. Be careful when you light a match. I am watching a football match. Lap. The cat sat on my lap. I will complete 5 laps tomorrow. Well. I feel well right now. How deep is the well? Next part link in the description and info cards on YouTube video.